Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today in Indefinite Integral Part 10, we will talk about integration of sec and cosecant function. Integration of sec x is log in mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant x respect to x is log in mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c or log in mod tan x by 2 plus c. First, integration of sec x respect to x. Multiply numerator and denominator both by sec x plus tan x. Now put sec x plus tan x equals to t. Differentiate respect to x both sides. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x and derivative of tan x is sec square x equals to dt by dx. Take sec x common. Tan x plus sec x dx equals to dt. So numerator replaced by dt and denominator replaced by t. Integration of 1 by t is log mod t. Replace t by sec x plus tan x. So the answer is log in mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Next is integration of cosecant x. Multiply numerator and denominator both by cosecant x minus cot x. Put cosecant x minus cot x equals to t. Differentiate respect to x both sides. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x and derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x, which equals to dt by dx. Now take cosecant x common. In bracket we have cosecant x minus cot x. Dx equals to dt. So replace numerator by dt and denominator by t. Integration of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. Replace t by cosecant x minus cot x. So the answer is log in mod cosecant minus cot. Cosecant x is 1 upon sin x and the cot x is cos x upon sin x. Take LCM sin x. So we have log in mod 1 minus cos x upon sin x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 and sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cancel by 2 and sin cancel by sin. So we have log in mod tan x by 2 plus c. Next point. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. Now we talk about even power. Whenever we have sec to the power mx or cosecant to the power mx, where m is even power, then first we separate one sec square x or cosecant square x. Then we convert remaining in terms of tan x or cot x. Then we put tan x or cot x equals to t. We will explain with the help of example. Suppose we have to integrate sec to the power 4x dx. First we separate one sec square x. This is sec square x into sec square x dx. First sec square x equals to 1 plus tan square x. Now we put tan x equals to t. When we differentiate respect to x, we will get sec square x equals to dt by dx. So sec square x dx replaced by dt and tan x replaced by t. We have integration of 1 plus t square dt. Integration of 1 is t and the t square is t cube by 3 plus c. Replace t by tan x. So we have tan x plus tan cube x by 3 plus c is the answer of sec raised to power 4x. Next question. Integration of cosecant to the power 6x. First we separate one cosecant square x. So we have cosecant to the power 4x into cosecant square x. First cosecant by 4x can be write this way, cosecant square x whole square into cosecant square x, and the first cosecant square x equals to 1 plus cot square x. Now we put cot x equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x both sides, we will get minus cosecant square x equals to dt by dx. So cosecant square x dx equals to minus dt. Replace cosecant square x dx by minus dt and cot x by t. Now when we open this bracket, we have 1 plus t raised to the power 4 plus 2t square dt and when we integrate this, minus outside, integration of 1 is t, integration of t to the power 4 is t to the power 5 by 5, and the integration of t square is t cube by 3. Replace t by cot x, and the answer is minus in bracket cot x plus cot to the power 5x by 5 plus 2 by 3 cot qx plus c. Next point, whenever we have sec to the power nx or cosecant to the power nx, where n is odd power, then we integrate using by parts. And we'll always take quotient equals to y, because in answer quotient will repeat. The quotient is sec cube x. We say I equals to sec cube x. Sec cube x can be written as sec x into sec square x. We'll take sec as first function, sec square x as second function. First function as it is, integration second is 10x, minus derivative first is sec x 10x, integration second is 10x, and the integration of the second part. Now sec x 10x minus integration of sec x into 10 square x, and 10 square x is equals to sec square x minus 1. When we open this bracket, we have sec x 10x minus sec cube x dx plus integration of sec x dx. Now question repeat. So in place of sec cube x, we'll write I, and the integration of sec x is log secant x plus 10x in mod. So 2i equals to sec x 10x plus log sec x plus 10x, and I equals to half of sec x 10x plus log in mod sec x plus 10x plus c. Next point, whenever we have dx divided by sine to the power px and cos to the power qx, where p plus q is even power, then divide the numerator and denominator both by cos to the power p plus qx. Then separate 1 sec square x in numerator and convert remaining into 10x and put 10x equals to t. We will explain with the help of example. We have dx divided by sine cube x into cos x. Now p is 3 and q is 1. So p plus q equals to 4, which is even. So divide numerator and denominator both by cos to the power 4x. And we have sec to the power 4x dx in numerator, and denominator we have 10 cube x. Now separate 1 sec square x in numerator and the remaining sec square x converted into 10 square x, so which is 1 plus 10 square x. Now put 10x equals to t. Differentiate respect to x both sides. Sec square x equals to dt by dx. So sec square x dx equals to dt, and replace 10x by t. So we have integration of 1 plus t square divided by t cube dt. And when we separate this, we have 1 by t cube plus 1 by t dt. And the integration of this is minus 1 upon 2t square plus log mod t plus c. Replace t by 10x, and the answer is minus 1 upon 2 10 square x plus log in mod 10x plus c. Next point, whenever we have dx divided by sine to the power px, cos to the power qx, where p plus q is odd, then break numerator 1 as sine square x plus cos square x and solve. For example, we have dx divided by sine x into cos square x. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, which is odd. So break numerator 1 as sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine x into cos square x. So first part is sine square x upon sine x cos square x, plus second part is cos square x divided by sine x cos square x. And after simplifying, we have sec x 10x dx, and the second part is cosecant x dx. Integration first part is sec x plus integration second part is log 10x by 2 plus c.